splint I am demonstrating is the ulnar gutter splint, which immobilizes the wrist, the ulnar side of the hand, so the wrist in wrist extent of 20 degrees extension, and MCPs at about 70 to 90 degrees of extension, flexion, and IPs in full extension. So I start with a liner, make a small thumb hole, pad the ulnar styloid, add this Z-strip. So we cut along the Z-strip. Gloves. Here's the casting tape. Cut a few inches to be used as a reinforcing strip. Reinforcing strip adds strength to the splint. Dip the tape in water. Squeeze it 2 to 3 times in the water, and then squeeze it again once outside. For the ulnar gutter, my reinforcement strip will be along the ulnar side of the hand. And then I start wrapping at the wrist. We'll keep going all the way to the distal interphalangeal joint. And then all the way down to the proximal end of the forearm. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to harden, so this is the time when I mold the wrist in extension, the MCPs in flexion, and IPs in extension. So if I use one hand to extend the wrist, I can use the other one to bring the MCPs in flexion. Once it is dry, I will outline the splint, the part that stays on the hand. So that'll be the ulnar side of the hand, including the little finger and the ring finger. And then start cutting on the Z-strip. If the DIP joints are not involved, we can always leave the DIP joints free. Just like this one, how the DIP, and then line it with fleece liner. So this is what it looks like after lining it with the fleece liner. And then I add the straps. 2 on the forearm. One narrow strap along the palm to hold the splint here. And then one to hold the fingers together. And this strap goes in between here. She probably needs a narrow strap. Since she has a small hand. Trim the straps. So here we go.